Let's check the functions, the engine and everything here. Show you the interior. Alright, let's start. Put the key on. Okay, lights are on as you see. Okay, let's start the engine. The engine is on. Let's start very smoothly. RPMs are up. Okay, let's try to accelerate and see the RPMs movement. Okay. One more time. Okay. As you can see, the RPMs are going up very smoothly in a very good way. Let's check the audio. It's on the CD, I think. Speakers are very clean. It works perfectly. Okay. Let's try the AC. High speed. Temperature low. It's the lowest temperature. AC is on. Air is blowing very good. Okay. Oh, cold air is coming very good. It's very cold. Change the mode from here. Okay, switch it off. It's very cold. So this one is working as well. Let's try the windows. Works. Other side also works perfectly. Back side. This side as well. They all work perfectly. LPG. There's the buttons here. We got the buttons here. Show the interior of the car. Very clean. The chairs are very clean. As you can see, I don't know if you hear the engine or not, but sounds okay. Let's try to open it. That's where you put the oil. A little bit of rust here.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.